Hi there, guys. I'm Joe here with another video. Today I've just done a service on a Kia Sorento. It's a hybrid version, but it doesn't really make much difference with the normal one. It's a 2025 plate, and I'm gonna talk you through the service light or message reset. So you wanna start with having the ignition on. So we press that twice, and you'll get your ignition lights up. Then we're gonna move over to the infotainment screen. We're gonna press where it says setup, and then you move over to vehicle, and then just scroll down to cluster, and you'll see service here. All we need to do is just press the reset button, and you just confirm it, and it's doing this thing. Reset done. So that's how you reset the cluster on the new Kia Sorento. And other Kia models are similar as well. So I hope this helps someone out there, and I'll catch you in the next video. Remember to like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you.